Se on luonnon kiertokulku. Mehiläiset
Salmon.
Varsinkin sitten hedelmät.
Wow, very nice. Like your flowers is
Yeah.
here. Yeah. But
Color.
the color.
And this one is the same.
This is the
And
white.
it is white.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a good. Oh,
yeah, because they are.
it's so beautiful. Yeah, this is the pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Place of the all flowers there. This one, what kind of flower this?
We have the same in our garden. I don't know what is in English, and I don't know what is in Finnish.
This one also, it's a color white. This is a flowers. Yeah, it's a beautiful flower.
Take it there.
Yeah. This is a lake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Have no have name.
yeah. But they
They are not ready.
Yeah, it's not ready.
This garden is so beautiful.
Oh, this is.
Life.
There are hundreds of different kinds of roses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is roses.
Roses.
Yeah,
Every
every here.
here.
Yeah,
There is.
but she's not to become a
Yeah.
No, flowers are not,
flower.
not yet.
Start
Too
for
early.
starting to grow.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 weeks,
Oh,
3 weeks.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mutta onneksi tuolla oli noita muita.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful color.
Yeah.
Stugigardis ng mga puro bulaklak. Sobrang ganda, grabe. Ito puro rose. This one have I smell. Yeah. Hindi pa siya namumulaklak. Magi-start pa lang. Yeah. Tapos ito, this is the yellow. Yan. Ayan ah. Magi-start pa lang siya ng bulaklak. Pero hindi pa siya lugar ng mga puro bulaklak ito.
My favorite is here, the diamond.
Ah,
But
yeah.
I don't know this anymore.
Yeah. This is also it's a beautiful flower. Ito guys, oh, super bango. Bango. Oh, di ba? Super bango siya. Ayan. Oh, puro bulaklak dito, guys. Super ganda. Ito, rose din to, oh. Siya, red rose. Ayan, oh. Yeah. Grabe, guys. Super ganda talaga dito. Any kind of color the rose is here.
Yes.
Ah,
Different colors.
yeah. Lahat ng kulay ng rosas dito. Kaya lang hindi pa siya namukadkad.
And smaller and bigger.
Yeah. From smaller and bigger. Oh, this is a rose also. Anong pangalan yan? It's okay. Yeah, this is also color pink.
Already.
This is a rose. Ah, like this here. This is the flowers. I smell it.
Lupo.
Yeah, good smell also. Oh, have here.
Yeah. They are already.
So yellow.
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Ah, sunshine. Pangalan ng flowers. Sunshine. Sunshine flowers. It's a good. This is a rose also.
Yeah.
Oh, daming rose. Lahat ng rose. Pomponel. Yeah, it's a color. It's beautiful flowers. Wow. Super ganda. This is a light coning lotion.
Königin Lucia.
Ayan, pangalan lang ano. Ito din guys. Oh. Oh, it's a beautiful.
Aquarel.
Yeah, this one also. Grabe guys. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Super ganda. That's all. It's so beautiful. Maybe 3 weeks become to
Yeah.
the flower.
Yeah.
Rapina.
Joo, tästä kävetä sitten. Tampellaan, eikä ratinaa. Tampella täällä. Lähiäkä ranna.
This is a train.
Yeah. From the north.
Ah.
From the Oulu.
Ah, here.
I will not
Yeah.
come with our car here. And there is also a restaurant
Ah,
up there.
that's right.
And this is a new bridge. Only
1
2
week.
weeks, 1 week or yeah.
Oh,
When it was open.
yeah. Oh.
In in the evening they will light like a stars.
Here?
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is not yet.
Yati.
Yeah. Lake.
Yeah, this is a lake.
Yes.
Oh,
Very big lake.
Yeah.
Runs 10 kilometers.
oh.
10.
10?
Yes. 10 kilometriä on tämä selkä, mikä on tässä.
Yeah. But it runs
Yes. It will go
100 kilometers. And after, when we are came back to here, we can walking together. There is very, very beautiful line to the
Ranta Tampere.
Tampere. And there is a little bit coffee shop. We can drink there something or take a ice cream.
Miksi ei mennä tornado?
And Alexander like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mini like.
yeah. Actually,
Oh, come over there.
yeah.
Oh.
Trees is our one of our art museum. Now we go.
Ah.
And now we can.
Pysähtyin just sillä hetkellä sinne vitsi pää alastaan, kun myö.
Leader of the town.
Ah, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.